Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best steering wheel cover for car that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number one product name is SEG Direct Car Steering Wheel Cover. The SEG Direct Car Steering Wheel Cover in black microfiber leather is designed to give a fresh look and better feel to a vehicle's interior. Made for universal fit steering wheels measuring between 14.5 to 15 inches in diameter, it offers a smooth upgrade from worn or faded factory finishes. The textured splicing design adds a stylish detail that blends well with most car interiors while enhancing the overall appearance. Crafted from soft microfiber leather, it provides a gentle and comfortable grip during long drives, helping to reduce hand fatigue. This material is more supple than many standard steering wheels, making it pleasant to hold in both warm and cool weather. The surface is designed to absorb moisture, preventing the sticky feeling that often comes with summer heat, and ensuring hands stay comfortable throughout the journey. The non-slip exterior combined with a sturdy rubber lining improves grip security, giving drivers better control and confidence on the road. It also serves as a protective layer, shielding the steering wheel from damage caused by sun exposure, scratches, wear, dirt, and fading over time. Installing the cover is simple by warming it slightly and sliding it over the steering wheel. It fits tightly once in place, creating a seamless appearance without shifting during use. This steering wheel cover not only boosts driving comfort, but also extends the lifespan of the original wheel, making it a practical addition for maintaining both function and style in any car's interior. In our list, the number 2 product name is Valleycomfy Steering Wheel Cover. The Valleycomfy steering wheel cover in black with black lines is made from heavy-duty genuine leather, offering a durable and premium upgrade for standard size wheels measuring between 14.5 to 15.25 inches in diameter. Its thick yet soft texture provides a comfortable grip that enhances control while driving, making every journey smoother and safer. The natural leather surface feels pleasant to the touch and is designed to withstand daily use without losing its shape or style. It offers a breathable finish that keeps hands comfortable in different weather conditions, preventing the wheel from feeling overly hot in summer or too cold in winter. The rich texture also helps improve grip, reducing slippage and adding an extra layer of driving security. Inside, the cover features a premium quality rubber lining that is completely odor-free and skid-proof. This ensures a secure fit that stays in place without shifting, allowing for steady handling during every drive. The protective layer also shields the original wheel from wear, fading, and minor damage, helping maintain the car's interior for longer. Installing the cover is simple, requiring no tools or special skills. By placing it over the wheel and gradually fitting it into place with even pressure, it secures tightly for a polished and seamless finish. Combining style, comfort, and practicality, this steering wheel cover is a smart choice for drivers who want to improve grip, protect their wheel, and add a refined look to their vehicle's interior. In our list, the number 3 product name is Moyishi Top Leather Steering Wheel Cover. The Moyishi Top Leather Steering Wheel Cover in black is designed to give any vehicle interior a stylish and refreshed appearance while offering reliable protection for the wheel. Made from premium quality polyvinyl chloride leather, it has a soft and breathable texture that feels comfortable to the touch and provides a pleasant grip during long drives. The durable build ensures it can withstand daily use without losing its shape or finish. This universal fit cover is suitable for steering wheels measuring between 14.5 inches to 15.25 inches in diameter. The thick and well-constructed material features neat stitching that adds to its refined look while enhancing strength. It can be used throughout the year to shield hands from the discomfort of an overheated or chilled steering wheel, ensuring comfort in both summer and winter. The textured leather surface improves control by reducing slippage, allowing for a more secure hold on the wheel. It also serves as a protective layer, helping to prevent scratches, fading, and general wear caused by regular use or exposure to sunlight. Installing this steering wheel wrap is simple and requires no tools. Once in place, it creates a snug fit that does not shift while driving. The design combines practicality with a luxury feel, making it a quick and effective way to enhance the appearance of any car or truck. With its elegant sports detailing, this cover not only in our list, the number 4 product name is Custom Accessories Steering Wheel Cover. The Custom Accessories 35710P black steering wheel cover with wood grain design and chrome trim is made to bring comfort and style to your vehicle interior in every season. The combination of soft black leatherette material with a classic wood grain pattern adds a refined touch that suits both modern and traditional car designs. The chrome trim detail enhances the overall appearance, giving a polished and premium feel. It has a universal fit design that works with most steering wheels ranging from 14½ inches to 15½ inches in diameter. The flexible rubber core helps it adapt easily to the wheel, ensuring a secure hold without slipping while driving. This steering wheel cover not only changes the look of your vehicle's interior, but also gives a better hand feel, making long drives more pleasant. In warm conditions, it helps reduce the discomfort of holding a heated steering wheel, while in colder weather, it provides a warmer grip. The leatherette surface is smooth yet offers good control, making it practical as well as stylish. Installing this cover is straightforward, and once in place, it instantly upgrades the steering wheel's appearance while offering a fresh and clean surface to hold. By covering the original steering wheel, it also helps protect against wear, fading, and minor scratches, keeping the interior in better condition over time. With its sleek black tone, wood grain detail, and comfortable grip, this steering wheel cover offers an easy way to refresh and personalize your driving space. In our list, the number 5 product name is Valleycomfy Steering Wheel Cover. The Valleycomfy steering wheel cover with microfiber leather is designed to refresh the look of your vehicle interior while offering a comfortable driving experience. It is suitable for middle-sized steering wheels with an outer diameter of 15 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. The smooth microfiber leather finish gives a refined appearance and is pleasant to the touch, while the detailed stitching adds a sporty element that can enhance different types of interiors. The odor-free lining inside helps keep the grip secure and steady on the road. This design not only improves control, but also provides comfort during both long and short drives. The cover is built to handle heat, cold, and daily use, making it a practical choice for various weather conditions. It is also a good way to protect the original steering wheel from wear and damage over time. Many well-known vehicle models match with this size, including different years of Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, Pilot, and Odyssey. Toyota drivers can fit it to models such as Camry, Corolla, Highlander, and RAV4. It also suits popular Ford models like Edge, Escape, Fusion, and Mustang, as well as Volkswagen Jetta, Golf, and GTI. Owners of Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, and Compass will also find it a good fit. The installation process is simple, requiring only stretching the cover over the wheel and adjusting it into place. Once fitted, it instantly upgrades the steering wheel appearance while adding a pleasant, reliable grip. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.